If you are a Magento developer or a merchant and you have just installed Magento 2 application, the next thing that you would like to do is go through different pages of your website and see how they look like. As you can see, I have just installed Magento 2, but I don't have the content on different pages, like I don't have the categories, I don't have the products. Now we have an option to manually create these pages and populate the data. But manual creation of all the categories, products and static contents is going to take a while, and being a developer you would like to save time. To our rescue, we have sample data modules available in Magento 2 which can help us to deploy the sample data and experience how these different pages will look. Now let's see how to install sample data modules. Before we install the sample data modules, there is a precaution. You should not install sample data modules in staging or production environment, because once the sample data modules are installed and the data is populated, like category and products are created in your admin panel, these data can't be removed. Right now there is not a simple solution to remove these test data. That's why it is recommended to install sample data module only in your local environment. So install it only in your local environment to see how these pages will look. Now let's see how to install the sample data. There are two different ways through which you can install sample data. One is you can download the sample data module via cloning the Git repository. So here is the sample data module available on GitHub. You can clone this repository and install it in your local application. As you can see, app code Magento folder is there. Inside this, your all sample data modules are there. You can clone this repository and you can install sample data via this repository. The second option is to install the sample data via command line. So we have a command available in default Magento which we can use to install the sample data. Now let's see how to install sample data using this command. Open your terminal and go to the directory where your project is installed. The command to install sample data is bin magento sample data deploy. Now you can use help command to see the description of this command which says deploy sample data modules for composer based Magento application. So what this command will do is it will download all the sample data modules via composer. Now let's run this command and install sample data. Once you try to install it, it will ask for the username or once you try to install it, it will ask you to provide credentials of repo.magento.com. To get the credentials, go to the website marketplace.magento.com, log in here, and once you are logged in, go to My Profile section. In My Profile, in Marketplace tab, you will see Access Keys. You have to go to Access Keys section, and here you will see all your available access keys. As you can see, I have already created the access key for Magento 2 application. If you do not have an access key already created, you can create the access key by clicking this button. Since I have the access keys already created, I will use these keys. The public key mentioned here is the username we have to provide as an input parameter. So I will copy this public key and go back to my terminal and paste that public key as username. Next, I will copy the private key, which is the password, and paste it in my terminal and press enter. Now it will ask you whether you want to store the credentials for repo.magento.com. I will say yes, so that it will not ask for password again and again. Now it will take some time to download all the modules and install it in your application. Okay, so sample data modules are downloaded now. I will run the setup upgrade command to make sure modules are installed and database is updated properly. Next, I will run the famous cache flush command to clear caches from Magento. Okay, caches are flushed. Now I will go to the website and overview the pages. Congratulations, you can see sample data is installed in your website. You can see all the static blocks and you can see many categories created here. You can go to these categories and see the category listing pages. We can go to the product page and see how the product details page looks. So with the magic of sample data deploy command, we have populated the data and we can see the data here. Now if you are interested, you can open your project in an editor and go to composer.json file where you can see all the sample data modules will be mentioned here in required sections. So these sample data modules are installed via Composer. You can also go to vendor folder and go to Magento directory where you will see those individual sample modules will be installed. Now we have the modules installed properly and data is populated. Now let's see how to remove these modules. To remove these modules, we have to use command sample data remove. You can see these modules are removed now. Next, run the setup upgrade command again and cache plus command as well. I made a typo here. And it's done. Now open your project directory and you can see from require section of composer.json file all those sample data modules are removed, as well as if you go to vendor and Magento directory, you can see all those sample data modules are removed from here as well. Next, I will go to the front end and go to home page and see the data is still there. It is not completely removed. That's why in the very beginning I said do not install the sample data modules in staging or production environment because the modules will be removed from your directory but the data will still remain in the database. Thank you for watching. I will share all the commands in the description section. If you have any question, please let me know.